Hello and welcome. Penetration testing with metasploit and exploiting the target is easy, but the real game starts in the post-exploitations, that how the target system or the host is behaving with the metasploit traffic and the tools itself. There are a lot more instances like antivirus, content inspection firewalls, rule-based firewalls, packet filtering firewalls. Every security mechanism will try to stop all your traffic going back from the target host to the metasploit computer. For instance, this computer is a metasploit running system, and this is the server that is vulnerable in this case, and we have exploited with our exploits in a metasploit framework. In many cases, you will find yourself that you will not get meterpreter shell or any payload will not be executed back to your metasploit framework. The reason is simple. The chances that the target system is running content-based firewall inspection rules set. Rules will not allow your traffic to go at any port that is set by metasploit framework. As you have already seen that metasploit always set by default ports, like using a meterpreter set to the by default port number 4x4. So if the target system is not getting the traffic out to any port except port 80, so at that case the reverse shell or reverse meterpreter shell will not be opened and the exploitation will be succeeded. So there is an option in the metasploit that we can use, because there are one options that firewall and every security devices must enable and must allow the port number 80 that is web based, and it is always allowed to go out from the source. Search for payload TCP all ports. TCP all ports is a payload in the metasploit framework. What happens in this is that it tries to connect back to the metasploit framework using all the possible ports from 0 to 65,535. So if one port is not allowing from the target host to metasploit framework, it will try another port number. So at that case, the chances are 99% of success rate for the reverse shell and the meterpreter session. So in this way we can bypass the limitations and also bypass the firewall rules and the content inspection devices that are running on the target systems. You will find this situation many times in a penetration test, because almost every servers and the HTTP servers and web applications have the firewalls that blocks all the outgoing traffics except port 80. So this is the way we can bypass the firewalls and the rules in a post-exploitations. I recommend you to use these payloads and try to block in your computer system that your computer will not allow any port except port number 80, and use a normal payload that a meterpreter reverse TCP and then see the result. If there is no meterpreter session, then try for this one all ports. That will surely bypass the firewall's rules. Thank you.